An hour ago.
Mom! Mom, come look! Come look right now!
The window's breaking! Hold on!
The water's rising so fast! Peter! Peter! Peter!
Lily, hold the side of the pool. Both hands. Don't let go no matter what.
Now.
What was that?
Peter, Peter, I'm scared. What was that noise?
It's just thunder, Lily. Go back to sleep.
That is not just thunder, Peter. That is something very big and very angry.
Kids, come here. Come sit down. I need to tell you something.
Dad, what is happening outside?
This is very heavy storm coming. The news says flooding might reach our street.
What does flooding mean?
It means a lot of water comes very fast. More than the street can hold.
More water than the swimming pool?
Much more than the swimming pool, sweetheart.
Oh.
So we are going to be very smart today. We are going to block the doors and move things upstairs. Together, like a team.
What do we do first?
You and Lily stay close to Mom. Watch from the window. Tell us if you see anything change outside. Can you do that?
We can do that. Lily, we are official watchers now. Official watchers, okay. Peter, look at the sky. It is getting darker.
I see it.
The trees are bending really far, like they might fall over.
They won't fall over. Trees are strong.
Are we strong?
Yes, we are very strong. Okay. Upstairs. Everyone upstairs now. Take only what matters.
What matters? Each other.
That's what matters. Move.
Mom! Mom, come look! Come look right now!
Upstairs, right now, everyone. Peter, Lily, both of you sit inside this pool right now.
Dad, why are we sitting in the pool inside the house?
Because if water comes up here, I want you both floating, not standing, floating.
That is actually a really smart idea, Dad.
Thank you, Peter. Get in.
David, it's here.
Peter,
I've got you. I'm right here. Don't let go of my hand.
I'm not letting go.
Good. Me neither.
The window is breaking. Hold on.
The water's rising so fast.
Stay with me. Don't let go.
It's everywhere. We have to move. Peter, Peter, Peter.
They have the pool. They are floating. They are together. Listen to me. They are together.
We have to find them.
We will find him right now.
Peter, Lily.
Peter, Lily.
Peter, where are Mom and Dad?
They are looking for us right now. I know they are.
How do you know?
Because that is what Mom and Dad do. They always come. Always.
I'm cold, Peter.
I know. Move closer to me. Like this. Better.
Peter, I'm really scared.
Me too. But scared is okay. Scared just means we are paying attention, and right now we need to pay very good attention.
Okay, I am paying attention.
Good, so am I. We are going to be okay, Lily.
Lily, hold the side of the pool. Both hands. Don't let go no matter what.
What are you doing?
I'm going to push us toward that wall. We can hold on there and wait for Mom and Dad to find us.
Peter, the water is really cold.
I know. I'll be fast. Hold on.
We're here. We made it. Hold the wall, Lily. Both hands.
I've got it, Peter, I've got it.
Good. Now we wait. They will come. They always come. Peter, Lily!
Mom! Dad, we are here! By the oak tree, we are here!
Mom, you're squeezing too hard.
I know. I'm not stopping.
Okay, that's okay.
You kept her safe. You kept your sister safe.
She kept me brave. That's different, but it counts.
It counts more than you know, son.
Dad,
Yeah,
I was really scared today.
I know. So was I.
But we were okay
We were okay
because we stayed together.
because we stayed together. That's a whole answer. Every time.
Now let's learn 5 useful English words from today's story. I'll explain each word with simple meanings and easy. Let's begin. Flood. A flood is when a large amount of water covers land that is usually dry. Example, the flood covered the whole street. Thunder. Thunder is the loud sound you hear after lightning. Example, the thunder woke Peter and Lily. Storm. A storm is bad weather with heavy rain, strong wind, and sometimes thunder and lightning. Example, a big storm came to their town. Brave. Brave means doing the right thing even when you feel afraid. Example, Peter was brave and protected Lily. Together. Together means staying with other people and helping each other. Example, the family stayed together during the flood. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss the next adventure with our family. See you next time!